Okay, so I would like to tell you about a new concept which is factorial notation. Factorial notation. Say it is like this. It is n, then exclamation symbol, n factor. It is read as n factorial. N factorial definition is it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. into n. That's the meaning of factorial notation. For example, 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. Or 5 factorial. It is, you can write this as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 5 into 4 20, 20 into 3 60 into 2 120. 5 factorial is 120. You can see that this can be written as 5 into 4 factorial, because 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. कभी कभी हम ऐसे भी लिखते हैं 5 into 4 into बाकी 3 into 2 into 1. You can write it as 3 factorial. So in general, sometimes we'll write like this: n factorial. n factorial मतलब 1 से लेके n तक मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. into 1. और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं n into n minus 1 factorial. नहीं तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. जैसे हम ऊपर 5 factorial को 5 into 4 factorial लिखा, नहीं तो 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. So in general, n factorial, that n के बाद एक exclamation letter symbol, it is factorial notation. So n factorial मतलब the product of the first n numbers. 3 factorial मतलब 1 into 2 into 3. So here, look at this question, simple questions. 8 factorial. 8 factorial is nothing but you have to multiply 1 into 2 into up to 8. Now ये तो 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you have to multiply that. There is no other way. So which is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 40. So you'll get 40,320. Next question देखो, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, it is not 1 factorial. 4 factorial मतलब 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 factorial मतलब 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24 minus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to 18. Next question देखो, is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Check करो, 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 24. अभी आप 3 factorial plus 4 factorial देखो. ओके, उसके पहले 7 factorial भी निकाल के देखो. 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Just multiply and check. 7 factorial, you will get 5040 5040. And you just check is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, which is equal to 6 plus 24, which is equal to 30, and which is not equal to 7 factorial. Okay. Now, question number 3, देखो. 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So 8 factorial को आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. If you're going to multiply and write 8 factorial का value हमें already पता है 40,320. If you're going to write that, it will be difficult because we have to divide and all those things. But 8 factorial को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial मतलब 1 6 से लेके 1 तक 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 8 factorial को 8 into 7 into 6 factorial लिख सकते हैं. Now you can see that this 6 factorial cancel हो जाएगा. 2 factorial is nothing but 2, 1 into 2, and this 2 and 8 cancel हो जाएगा 4. So 7 into 4, the final answer will be 28. Look at this next question. 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. You have to simplify this. So I can write like this. If you're going to write the value, if you're going to write the value, so it can be written as like this: 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial. I will write it as 7 into 6 factorial, because 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 can be written as 6 factorial is equal to x divided by 8 factorial को मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So ऐसे लिखने का फायदा क्या है? I can cancel 6 factorial from everywhere. I can cancel 6 factorial from everywhere. So remaining, it will be like this: 1 plus 1 by 7 is equal to x by 7 into 8, 56. So 1 plus 1 by 7 is 7 plus 1. 8 by 7 is equal to x by 56. So cross multiplying, so you will get like this. That implies x is equal to 8 upon 7 into 56. So this 7 and 56 cancels. 7 into 8, 56. So final answer 8 into 8, which is equal to 64. So the value is, or the value of x is 64. If you're going to write the value of 6 factorial, 7 factorial, and 8 factorial, it will be very big numbers. So this is the best way. Now look at last question. We have to evaluate n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. ये क्या होता है? एक फॉर्मूला में ये r है, इसलिए वो आपको इस प्रॉब्लम में करने के लिए बोला. So we will do one question because same type. So we'll do the second one. N is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. So n factor, this is n factorial. That means 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 5, n minus r bracket के अंदर factorial, which is 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 9 minus 5 is 4. So that can be written as 9 factorial को अब ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. बाकी 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 उसका 4 factorial लिख सकते हैं. So divided by 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial cancel हो जाएगा. बाकी आपको मिलेगा 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So which is that you have to multiply 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, which is 15120. That's the answer. So that's all. This is just to introduce you the concept of factorial notation. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, 0 factorial, it is defined as 1. इसका रीज़न मैं बाद में एक दिन क्लास में बताऊंगा. Just for your information, just keep in mind that 0 factorial is defined as 1. In general, n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into etc. up to n. Clear? So that's all about the concept of factorial notation. Now we will move to that concept, permutation and combinations. Both are number of arrangements, how many ways you can arrange things. So that we will discuss in the coming class.